Welcome to the MRO Master Data Management 101 certification course. Chapter 6, Case Studies and Practical Application. To bring everything together, let's look at some real-world examples and practical applications of the concepts we've covered. Case studies provide valuable insights into how effective data management practices can benefit an organization. For example, consider a manufacturing company that implemented a comprehensive data governance framework, including regular audits and standardized naming conventions. As a result, the company was able to reduce duplicate records by 90%, improve procurement accuracy, and reduce inventory carrying costs by 15%. These improvements not only streamlined operations, but also resulted in significant cost savings. Another example might involve a company that struggled with poor quality MRO data. This company had frequent issues with unplanned downtime and excessive maintenance costs due to incorrect or outdated material data. After implementing a data cleansing and normalization initiative, the company saw a dramatic improvement in asset uptime and a reduction in maintenance costs. Lessons learned from common mistakes are just as valuable as success stories. For instance, one common mistake is failing to establish clear naming conventions for material descriptions. Without standardized descriptions, it can be difficult to search for and identify materials, leading to inefficiencies in procurement and inventory management. Another mistake is neglecting to validate data before it's entered into the system. This can result in a high number of errors and inconsistencies, which can be time-consuming and costly to correct later. By learning from these mistakes and implementing best practices, you can avoid similar pitfalls in your own organization. Hands-on exercises are a great way to apply what you've learned in a controlled environment. For example, you might simulate the process of creating and cleansing MRO master data. This could involve entering data for a new material, validating it against predefined rules, and then using a tool like UManage Pro to cleanse and standardize the data. Group exercises can also reinforce key concepts and encourage collaboration. You might work in small groups to review and cleanse a set of MRO master data, discussing the challenges you encounter and the strategies you use to address them. These exercises provide valuable practical experience and help solidify your understanding of the material. In summary, case studies and practical exercises are essential for reinforcing the concepts covered in this course. By learning from real-world examples and applying what you've learned in hands-on activities, you'll be better prepared to manage MRO master data effectively in your own organization.